Hey guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm super excited to be coming at you with the January mystery reveal. If you guys are not familiar with our subscription, every year January I do a birthday themed collection, and I have to say that this is by far my favorite birthday collection ever. In shop, mystery, doesn't matter, might be one of my favorite kits ever, and I'm so excited. And this year, on my birthday, I am pretty much due, so I feel like I'm using a baby kit, but I'm probably going to use this to celebrate my birthday, maybe my half birthday, I don't know. But also my half birthday is like Halloween. So let's go ahead and get into this. There's some really cool stuff. I did want to do something extra as like, kind of like want to start this year, like January, like doing kind of like an extra as like a birthday gift almost, because this is a birthday kit. So I put an extra in both the mini and the ultimate. Was going to just do it in the ultimate because that's usually whenever we do like extras, it's in the ultimate, but I wanted to do it in both, so I did. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then also we're premiering the new wiggle in this, which is amazing. So let's go ahead and just show you guys the kit itself first, and then I'll show you all the dang extras in the ultimate, and then I'll go through the mini. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay. Look at her. The mini kit is always exclusive art, but like this is amazing. Like, look at all of the details. So we have the girl here with not the Christmas presents. I'm like in Christmas mode. I just wrapped like a bazillion Christmas presents today. We got a girl here with the presents. You have like a gift bag with balloons in the back with a pile of washi, which I'm here for. You have little charms and confettis and a little pen here, an Erin Condren spread. You have this gorgeous washi cake. You have some presents with bow wrapping paper, which I need, a happy birthday card. You have a really cute like planner desk set up. A really pretty like pink drink from Starbucks, if the pink drink was actually good. Sorry if you guys like it. I feel like it tastes like mint, or not, Hall's Fruit Breezers, and then a cake. And I just love this kit. I think it's so pretty. It's pink, but I feel like the amount of white in it and like the little spritz of gold, it kind of makes it a little bit like more toned down. You do have the little munchkin freebie, and then on the side it says January 2020 mystery. So this is the ultimate kit. So you can no longer get this kit if you want to pick it up. You'll have to like stock the buy sell trades. If you sign up next month for mystery, it will be for, or if you sign up this month, if you sign up in January for mystery, you'll get the February subscription. If you're billed on January 1st, that is for the February subscription. You have the functional, you have the extra box here with the balloons, a little like cup, a party cup with a cupcake there. So then you have the little things, headers, all the deco here. So things that aren't in the full boxes is this happy birthday banner. You have a really cute washi tape balloon. I wish I'd be able to pop that in there. But there's just so much good stuff. A little floral like look there. I love this. And then the bottom washi, so simple but pretty. Kind of like got like a cheetah print vibe. So if you ordered this like a kit, an ultimate kit in shop, it would be $29.95. Our ultimate subscription is $30 plus shipping. It is a recurring mystery subscription, so once you subscribe until you cancel, you're billed every month on the 1st. If you want to sign up next month, like I said, it will be for February's mystery, and those spots will be opening mid-January, and I will have that listed on the mystery tab on the website. But this is a great value. So this is just the kit. Now let me go through the extras. So we'll go through the sticker extras first, then I'll go through the new wiggle, and then I'll go through the like little birthday extra. So this is the 15mm strip. You also get that, which is in the shop for 95 cents. And then you have the glitter headers, which are in the shop for $1.95. And then you have the label sampler, which is $1.95 in shop. And then you also have some Fashion Girls, which I believe this is, don't quote me, I think it's $3.95 in shop possibly. But this has 2 tall options and then 4 regular full-size boxes. I thought this kind of gave you like a really nice variety. I love the planner cart in the background of this one, and I'm just kind of like living for it. So this one has like the girl with the presents, and then this one has like a birthday girl look. So really love all of these. Cannot wait to use this kit. So that's the ultimate kit. Again, this art is exclusive to mystery. I do usually bring back like a couple after about a year, but this art, otherwise that is the only way to get it, is was being subscribed, or if you look at the buy sell trade group. Okay, this is the third time I'm filming this because I feel like it's a little confusing. So this is what is in the mystery this month. This is our new clear wiggle format. This is going to be the mystery version of the clear wiggle format. Try saying that 10 times. Clear wiggle format. And whenever a wiggle comes to the shop, it'll be in a similar format, but instead of getting 3 of these type of sheets, you will get 6 of them. So that is kind of like the big difference between the mystery wiggles, the clear ones, and then the wiggles that come to the shop. But I'll definitely do more explaining in new release videos, and you can definitely just look at like the picture or the description to how many sheets come in the foil bundle / wiggle. So this is a mystery clear wiggle. So this is a bow wiggle. So this is a 15 millimeter strip page. You have an icons page here. It's a little bit bigger than before. You have a icon, circle icons, and then the date numbers. You have a mini deco sheet, which is great for like adding more deco to boxes or throughout your spread. You have a mini food doodle / drink doodle sheet. There's also a really nice size script sampler, which has all of our most top-selling scripts, along with the weekend banner, which fits perfectly over the weekend banner in the kit, but also you can use it by itself. And then, like I said, in the mystery clear wiggle, there is 3 of these sheets. So this is in the bow format. As you can see, there's bows throughout. You have 7 of the bow header overlays. You have 14 of the half cut headers, but you could totally use these as headers and just stack 2 together. And then you also have 2 full boxes. So you get 3 of these in the mystery clear wiggle. So you have the 21 bow headers, you have the bunch of the half cut headers, and then you also have the 6 full box options as well. So that is the mystery clear wiggle. Whenever it comes to shop, the new pricing will be reflected on there, and I'll go more into that whenever it is going to be coming to the shop, along with whenever we do debut a clear wiggle in the shop, because like I said, that'll be a little bit different because you get 6 of these sheets, and I'm obviously going to be doing different styles. So this one is a bow wiggle, whereas I also am going to be doing chunky, twinkle, stars, hearts, you name it, we're doing it. So this is just kind of the start, and I will go into more details and probably film that a million times too whenever I release those in shop. So that is what is included in the January Mystery Ultimate Kit. In both mysteries, you do get the journaling card, which is so dang cute. Probably one of my favorite journaling cards ever, with information on the back. And then as the 2, which I was only going to do 1, but I was like, let's do 2. As the 2 kind of like birthday extras for this year, I'm going to do it, I think every January I'll just throw in something extra. I did a magnet, which I thought was really cute. You could put it on your little planner cart, or you could put on your fridge, of the washi stack. And then I also did a vinyl sticker, so you could stick this on a water bottle if you want to stick it on your car, you want to stick it on a binder, you want to stick it wherever you want. You want to use it as a die cut, but it is a vinyl. It's just like the ones that we have in shop of the washi cake. So that is the January Ultimate Mystery subscription. You got a lot of stuff in here. Even though we will be having a price raise for the wiggles in shop, whenever they come out, I'm not going to be raising the prices of the mystery, just because we actually only quote 1 sheet of foil, but I just kind of go ham every month. So that is where we're at with that. If you are currently a mini kit user and you want to upgrade for a future month, definitely send me an email, and if we have spots open, I can upgrade you for future months. Now let's go over the mini kit very quickly. The mini kit is the more affordable option, so there's obviously less extras, but it is still a great value. Let me show you. So the mini kit comes with the mini kit here. So you have the full boxes, you have the mini kit page, you have the functional page, you have the deco page, and then you have the bottom washi page. along with the Munchkin freebie. And then with the mini kit, you do get the glitter headers along with the label sampler as your freebies. And then you also do get the gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous journaling card. And like I said, for this month, because January is birthday themed, I wanted to give you guys like a little birthday gift. So there is also the magnet as well as the vinyl. So that's everything in the mini kit. Like I said, that is our more affordable option, but the value is definitely better than just buying a kit in the shop. But obviously our mega super value is in the ultimate because it is a more expensive option. So that's everything for this month's mystery subscription that probably took me the longest ever to film, but I hope that you guys like it. It's probably, like I said, my favorite birthday kit that we've ever done, and also just one of my favorite kits that we've ever done just in general. I love the art. I love everything about it. I love the new bow wiggle. It just kind of all worked out. Yeah, so I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.